Hello everyone, this is Pavan Waghmare here from Dayanand College of Commerce, Latur. Presently, I am studying in M.Com Second Year Division D. First of all, I would like to express very sincere thanks to Library Department of Dayanand College of Commerce, Latur for organizing this competition on the occasion of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary, and the competition name is Granthanchya Chitrapit Spardha. And very fortunately, I am also participant of this competition. On the occasion of this competition, I have read the book. The book's name is Indian Polity, which is related with the MPSC and UPSC aspirants. So I would like to express my opinion, express summary, and express my point of views from this book. This book is written by M. Lakshmikant sir, who are the founder of M. Lakshmikant IAS Academy, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this book relates with our Indian Constitution. There are mentioned all the aspects of our Indian Constitution, concept of Indian Constitutions, major bodies of Indian Constitutions. It may be legislature, executive, and judiciary. So I would like to go toward our history of Indian Constitution and formation of Indian Constitution. So I would like to express my opinion. During the British government in India, there was a judicial system and overall governance was based on British rule. There was no any significant right as to planning the people of India. During independence revolution, Indian revolutionary leaders have thought that India has need of our Indian Constitution, which will be respect to Indian culture, tradition, and rights of citizen. A responsibility of creation of constitution was given to the Constituent Assembly, which was established in 1946, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of Constituent Assembly, while Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. Dr. Ambedkar, also known as the founder of Indian Constitution and architecture of Indian Constitution. On 15th of August 1947, India became independent nation. That's why to run the governance, there was need of our Indian Constitution. There was need of law and order. So our Constituent Assembly was working as a legislator. It was active as a legislator for making a draft of Constitution. There was a spent 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days were spent for making the Indian Constitution. We have been adopted the Constitution on 26th of November and 1949, and proper implementation of this Indian Constitution have been done on 26th of January 1950. So there is important thing is that members of Parliament Constituent Assembly have taken a lot of efforts to balance between different type of ideologies, different classes of society, and many more cultures. The preamble of Indian Constitution expresses that fundamental directives of our nation. It may includes justice, freedom, equality, and dignity. There are four pillars are base of Indian Constitution. It provides justice to every common citizen of our India. Indian Constitution offers right to citizen of India, that are equity, equality, freedom from annihilation of the basis of religion, caste, gender, and place. In Article 22, there is a right of protection from warrant. In the Constitution, I have mentioned that. And there is a process of alteration of Constitution is also mentioned as per the situation, because our Constitution is indirect Constitution and lengthiest Constitution in the world. And lastly, I would like to conclude that Indian Constitution, which is known as a supreme law of India, which provides right to voting, right to education, many more fundamental right to the Indian citizens. Thank you so much.